All right, come on in. Somebody, anybody, come on in, please. Come in, please. All right, you guys come in when you can. I'm gonna get this video processed real quick. Let's go back there. Let's see. Is this it?
All right, and I'm doing this from the comfort of my home.
Let's see. Nope. Okay. Morning, everybody. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, bro? I see you. Jeremy. Yep. Oh, let me get some good old hand cream. My hands are dry. All right, good to have you guys here. I thought I would jump on live with you guys real quick, just to give you guys a little inspiration. We're about to jump on live with. I'm about to go and jump on this all-day training. I'm pretty much excited. I'm very excited actually about this because we done it last week. Last week's training, all-day training was, I'll say, mediocre. It was last Wednesday we had technical problems. The market was okay. Thursday the market was subpar, I would say, but we did the best that we could with it. So I'm excited about today because you know, at the end of the day, every day is a little different. Oh man, I forgot to send that over. Okay, I can't do that. I was processing the video, but I can't send it over. But yeah, so today we have the all-day event, all-day training event on the US30. So I'm very excited about it. I'm looking forward to it. I know Jeremy, hopefully you'll be able to sit in. I know you're probably driving. Maybe you need to get some rest, but we'll be in all day long, at least 5 hours, 6 maybe, but definitely 5 hours, starting at 8 a.m. EST. What's going on, brother? I see you. Big G-Dub. What's going on? I normally don't shoot the lives horizontally. I normally do it vertically. So this one is a little different. Normally I can see the comments. Let me see. Okay, now I can see it. Okay. Good morning from Florida. What's going on, brother? Fausto dos Santos. Okay. Darrell, what's going on, bro? I see you. Okay, yeah, this is something different. I didn't know about, I guess I got to do that to see the messages. Okay. Yeah, so we're going live. We're live now, but I'll be going live on in training in just a few. I want you guys to pay attention to, I'm going to give you guys a little bit real quick. The US30 looks like it'll be going down right now. So pay attention to that market. We do have a zone at 43583.1. All right, we have a zone at 43570.5. So pay attention to that zone as this market starts to descend. All right, and it looks like it's going to start going down. I've noticed some slowdown there at this level. Okay, this is the same place where the market dropped down to yesterday. Okay, the market, what's going on, Richard? I see you. So the market dropped down to the same level yesterday. Or something I tell my students is the same levels you realize on the way down, you're going to run into them on the way up. So if you see that there's a slowdown in one area on the way down, you better bet your bottom dollar when it goes up, you're going to realize the same type of slowdown or some type of rejection. Some type of rejection from that level, you will realize that. So yeah, so this market, when we hit this zone, the 43583.1 and 43570.5, we've just been dancing around. So I'm watching this area because as we approach 8 o'clock, 8:30, you know, those major timestamps in the market, we can always expect some turbulence or some type of movement, momentum or something. So we have to watch that. We have to watch it. So So yeah, so basically we're gonna be jumping in on this live training on this free not live. He's saying live, but I'm live. But it's the all-day training event, the US30 training event with my students. I'm excited about it. This is a chance for them to get the entire trading framework taught to them all in one training session. Okay, and once we do that, it's going to be an all-day affair. So I'll be able to give them LCS over here, SMS over there, VPAS, SIT, and TPES, all in one training, all the while we're watching the market unfold. Okay, so this is going to be very exciting. And this is a place where you can actually learn and earn at the same time. I never give any guarantees. I can't predict what the market is going to do in terms of if it's going to produce 400, 500 points. We have to take what's available, all right? And that sort of goes into another topic that I don't always talk about, but you should never, there's nothing wrong with having I'll say with having a goal when you're trading, in terms of if your goal may be 50 points a day, 100 points a day, 200 points a day, that's all fine, well and good. But what you should never do is try to force the market to do something that it's not capable of doing. The market may only be capable of producing 200 points between the high and the low of the day. But most of the moves may be happening between a 50 pip run or a 50 point run. Meaning you're not going to have like those sweet moves where it go from the bottom to the top within 200 points. You may have a 50 point run in between the two, the high and the low. So we have to remember that I can't force the market. You can't force the market to do anything you wanted to do. We just have to take what's available and just go from there. If you're up, if your goal is 100 points and you're up 90 points, take the 90 and bounce. Take it and bounce. Don't try to force 10 more points out of the market. If it's not there, if it isn't there, it isn't there. Okay, that's the main thing. We have to remember that. Sometimes it's just not there. So we have to take what we can and then go from there. Okay, so let me go ahead and get this one underway. So we'll be jumping on about 9 or 10 minutes. Let's see. What email address? Okay, yeah, that's it. So yeah, let me see. Any questions, ladies and gentlemen? What are you guys trading on today? You guys looking at just the US30? Matter of fact, let me look at my Euro USD. I haven't given an update on that. Let me see, Euro USD. The last VPAS update I gave you guys, it was still the same. The market is going up. So let's see what we have. So it did go up this week. Today's Thursday, so Monday the market gapped up. It closed out at the same price it opened. On Tuesday, the market went up from the same price it closed. Yesterday, the market opened off of a small gap down, went up, but went back down. And today, the market gapped down, and it's nearly at the same price that it opened up at. So it's still pedaling north, but it's a slow progress. All right? It's a slow progress to the upside. So, so that's that. Let me see. A lot of people like gold. Let me see what gold is talking about. So gold, I think I mentioned in a training, I don't know if it was a live that I was on, someone asked about gold. And I think I remember talking about how gold was looking like it was going to go down. The gold is going down today. The market has made a move that, based on what I look at in the market, it's going down. How far it goes down, I couldn't tell you. Gold is not it's not something that I focus on. However, the first place that I will be looking for the market to run down to will be something around the 2789 area. 2790, something like that. 2986, 2985. So we have to watch that area. And yes, that's that. The US30, it seems to be going down. It was going down and then it pulled back. It's still going down. So just watch that zone that I pointed out. And for those of you who are just getting on the US30, there's a zone. Let me see. There's a zone at 43583.1 and 43570.5. So watch that area. Let me see. What was this? I think Richard said something. Big G-Dub, been long, GBP/NZD the past couple of days. I remember when you made a killing on. Oh yeah. That GBP/NZD is no joke. I still look at it from time to time. I just haven't traded it in such a long time. Matter of fact, no, I take that back. I haven't looked at the GBP/NZD. I'm getting mixed up with the peso. But let me take a look at it now. I got like 5 minutes. Let me take a look at it, see what we got going on. Oh yeah, it's going up. So it looks like today is, hold on, let me see. Yeah, it's going up. So at first glance, what I will be watching, G-Dub, Big G-Dub. The reason why, I would focus on the 2.2562. Of course, this depends on your broker. And I have another level at, and I'm putting these on, I'm doing this right now, at 2.24247, 2.24247. Obviously, it's the all-time high. I'm expecting it to run up to that same area and perhaps pull back, so we can see what that's about. When the market was here a few months ago, back in December, we had a couple days where it went up, pulled back, danced around, went back up, pulled down, went back up, pulled down, same area, never broke it, and then dropped. And then we've come back to the same place where we are right now, where we're ascending back towards the same place. So anywhere in this area, the market could pull back and go back down. It could pull back and then run back down. So just keep that in mind. It doesn't have to go to the zone that I pointed out. Okay, let me see, one more, 756. See how you get that up. Here we go. Let me see. And riding GBP/NZD up north, but as we are about to approach resistance, do you think the rest? Yeah, I just answered that. What's the main reason you focus on one? Well, I only focus on one instrument for real. It's really common sense. Let's go back to the saying. People say a jack of all trades, a master of none. But when you focus on one thing, you become a master of that one thing. So right now, my focus is the US30. And to be honest, I feel like I've mastered the US30. I mastered the US30, so that's why upon mastering the US30, I've moved over to now I'm introducing the NASDAQ, okay? And the NASDAQ, the great thing about it is it's very much similar to the US30. I'm using my same trading framework. In fact, I have a student, I made a video about, if you catch the last video I put out, let me see. No, the proof over opinions video. That video, I highlighted a student. I think that's the video. Let me see.
So I want you guys to remember, if you don't want to undergo
Let me see, was that it?
or undergo any form of training for me, that's totally fine.
No, I didn't. I don't think I put that video out. But I have a student who he just joined, and he was telling me that he used the same framework on the AUD USD or the AUD CAD, one of them, and he said he was up like I think 6 pips yesterday. So I know that it works on. I mean, I know that it works on all markets. So my thing is mastering your framework or your strategy, and then implementing it in other markets, and you can do that. So I've mastered the US30. I focused on that over the last 3+ years solely. I'm not trading nothing else. Give me the US30. So now what I've done, I can now focus on other things if I choose to. So that's the beautiful thing about it. Listen, I'm gonna get out of here. We gotta jump. I'm jumping into this all-day training event with my students. Just as I tell you guys all the time, have nothing short of a fantastic day. Remember, stay healthy, stay safe. And let's remember to remain and stay creative in the times we live in. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right? Peace and blessings, everyone. Let's get this money, baby.